Good morning children. On yesterday's class we learned second method of addition. Which is the second method of addition? Using the dots. Using the dots we had to find the sum. We had to count the number of dots present in the box. Then we had to find the sum by adding total number of dots present in the block. This we learned in yesterday's class, and I told you to complete in the textbook as well as I told you to rewrite in the notebook that second method of addition, which is present in the textbook, page number 98. Okay, page number 98. This I told you to complete as a homework. At first, see these answers and you have to check your answers. Next, draw dots. Here what we have to do? Here numbers we are having. Then we have to draw the number of dots. Then we have to find the sum. This one also I told you to complete first in the textbook. Then I told you to rewrite in a notebook. Next, going to the next method, that is third method. Which is the third method of addition we are having? See children, third method of addition having use of number lines to add. Use of number lines to add means with the help of number line we have to add the numbers. Here find these sums using the number line. Find these sums using the number line. Starting 3 examples I will teach you on the board. Just concentrate on the board. First question what we are having? 3 plus 2. Okay. 3 plus 2 is equal to, they ask. First what we have to do? With the help of scale. Ruler. We may call as the ruler, otherwise scale. You have to make one line like this. And we have to mention the numbers from 0 to 9 on that number line. Okay. With the equal distance. See here. I am having equal distance from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Like this I am having the equal length. Means equal distance I am having from 0 to 9. This is the first step we have to follow. First we have to write, we have to draw the number line and we have to mention the numbers on the number line. Next what we have to do? By seeing the first added. See here. First added means which is the first number we are having? Number 3 we are having. See children, in this number line where we are having number 3? 0, 1, 2, 3. Here we are having number 3. So first what we will do? We will make circle of this number. By seeing the first added, we have to circle the first number. Then plus 2. Plus 2 means by seeing second added, we have to take how many jumps here? 2 jumps. If we are having 2 means we have to take 2 jumps. If we are having 4 means we have to take 4 jumps. Here added what we are having? 2 we are having. So we will take 2 jumps from this number. 1, 2. Okay. What we got the answer? We got the answer as 5. 5 is our answer. By seeing the first added, we circled the number. Then by seeing second added, we took jumps. By taking the jump, where we reach? We reach to the number 5. 5 is our answer. Next, 5. Where is number 5 present in the number line? Here we are having number 5. First we will make circle of this number 5. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to take how many jumps here? We have to take 3 jumps. By seeing the second added, we have to count for how many times? 3 times. If other than 3, 5, 6 we are having means we have to count for 5 times. Here second we added we are having 3. So we have to count for 3 times. This is first, second, third. By seeing the second added, we took 3 jumps. Where we reached here? We reached on the number line 8. Where we reached? On the number line 8. This is our answer. Next, 4 plus 4. Plus 4 means we have to take how many jumps here? We have to take 4 jumps. First, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where we reach here, children? We reach on the number line 8. 8 is our answer. Understood what we did? By seeing the addend, first we circled the number, and by seeing the second addend, we took jumps and we reached on the number line 8 here. 8 is our answer. These are 3 examples about the number line addition. By using the number line, we learned. What's your homework? At first, copy down in a notebook for one time. After this one, children, you have to open the textbook page number 99. Page number 99 you have to open, okay, with the help of ruler, otherwise scale. Very neatly draw the number lines, and these 3 examples you copy down in a notebook. Then open the textbook page number 99. See children, page number 99, which contains third method of addition, use of number line to add. See here, find 3 plus 2 using the number line. By seeing the first addend, we had to circle the first addend. Then second step, we had to take how many jumps? We had to take 2 jumps. By seeing the second addend, take 2 jumps equal to the second addend to the right. See here, don't go to the left. This is very important. We had to move forward, okay, to the right side we have to move. Then we will, what we got the answer? 5. This is our answer. 5 is the sum of 3 and 2. Next, we will learn first question here. At first, take down the date, September 1st, 2021. Find these sums using the number line. Find these sums using the number line. First what addend we are having? 2 we are having. By seeing this number, circle the first addend. Then by seeing the second addend, we had to take how many jumps here? 4 jumps. First jump, second jump, third jump, fourth jump. Where we reached here? On the number line 6. 6 is our answer. By seeing the answer means by taking 4 jumps, where we reach? On the number line 6. Number 6 is our answer. Next, 5 plus 3. By seeing first addend, we have to circle the number. Then how many jumps I have to take here? 3 jumps. First jump, second jump, third jump. Where we reached here? I reached on the number line 8. This is our answer. Like this, remaining 2 are homework for you. At first complete in a notebook, then you had to rewrite in notebook. Only 4 examples we are having, and 3 examples we already learnt on the board. These 7 must be present in your notebook as a homework. Okay children, do it. Use the scale to put the line neatly. Draw the number line. Okay, bye.